Unlock the secret to style landing pages that convert. Discover how to create a catching designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. No design skills needed. Ready to boost your businesses? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back. In this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop features, a vast library of templates and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So if you want to get started, you have just to click over sign up and then you write your email address and your password, then you get started with Canva. So we have here also other options, like here we have documents, photos and videos, print, marketing. You can just click for the one you want to know or the one you want to need. Then you learn more information. Then we have here also business, such as Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, contact sales. Then we have business solutions, use case, resources. Also then we have your education, like teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, LMS integrations. Then we have case studies, higher education. Then we have also plans and pricing, like free, pro, teams, enterprise. Then we have the last one, which is learn. We have in the learn, Canva block, design school, events, and help center. So right now, if you wanna find your account, you click over sign in and you'll write your email address and your password, then you get started. So you'll find this page as you can see. So to create a landing page on Canva, you have just to start by selecting a landing page template from the options available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors. Add elements like buttons and form for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compelling call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. With Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quick and easy. So you have just to click over search your content and canvas here. Then you search here about landing page. You click over Canva templates first, then you click over landing page. Then here we have all features here. We have like category, you can choose all categories if you want. Have your business, also social media, education, video, marketing, print, products, cards and invitations. You have style like modern, minimalist, simple. You have theme also like business, black, corporate, company. You have also language here, feature like animation, video or audio. You have your grade, subject also, topic, reading, writing, finance, print, and then we have the price. You can select the free one or the pro one. Then we have the color, so I'll select firstly here social media, for example, and then I will click over Instagram posts, then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find the landing page. So this is it. We have here we have 1,846 templates. So I will choose, for example, this one. Then I will click over customize this template. So this is the home page as you can see. If you want to modify all these things, I will show you how you can do that. So just watch this video until the end. I will show you step by step how you can modify this and all these options, all these settings also, and how you can share also. So first of all, we have your design. As you can see, we have here if you want to add a template at the page here or templates. You have also styles, like here we have combinations, color palettes, font sets, recent design styles, image palettes also. We have here elements, like we have a frame, arrow, line, circle. We have also logo, shadow, scale, background, here, stair, and if we scroll down, you'll find also here EA image generator. As you can see, stickers also. You can just click over see all and you will say this stickers. You can add the one you want. For example, we have here arrow stickers, word sticker, food stickers. We have the pro one and the free one. So we choose the free one. We have social media stickers. I want also this one. You click over the one you want and then you get started with sticker. Then we have also here EA image generator. and also photos, videos here, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, mockups. So you select the one you want. Then we have here text. You can add a text box, magic write also. For example, I'll add the text here, as you can see. Then you have magic write, can generate, and then you click over enter. Then we have also here magic write, add your brand fonts. Then we have your default text styles like add a hidden, add a subhidden, add a little bit of body text, and we have also font combinations like here we have this one, this one, and we have a various one things. And we have your brand like we have brand templates, brand kits like logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have here uploads like upload files like images, videos, audios, and then we have also if you want to record yourself, click over here, then you click over record, then you get started 3, 2, 1, and you record. For example, hi, and you in this template we have add a heading here, add a subheading, and you can add whatever you want. So this is you just record, for example, like that, then you click over delete, or you can also save and exit here. So I will exit the studio here. Then we have your draw. If you choose the color you want, you can also here we have the color. I will choose, for example, this one, or this one, or this one, and then I will write here. For example, I will write something here. So it's just like that. Then if you want to delete it, you click over here and you delete all these things. Then if you come back, you click over here, and this is the first landing page that I choose. Then we have here file, for example, create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy. Then we have here download, version history, move to trash, find and replace, open in desktop, app, suggest improvement also. Then we have here resize, translate, transformation also. Then we have here editing, commenting, viewing also, and also we have here fashion. If you want to add account, insights, then we have here current page. I have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment or start a conversation. You can go here and add a comment like that, as you can see. You can add an emoji, you can mention someone, add sticker, then you click for submit. Then you have your share. This is the last step. So this is how it works. Also we have here, if you want to zoom, you have here thumbnail view, grid view, present full screen, and this is how it works with Canva. So you can just get started as soon as possible, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.